Okay, so one of my favorite UDLs was the s'more. And for this one, we were doing it in weeks 3 or 4. I chose it for weeks 3 and 4. And it was the one about the school we chose. So we had Awani Middle School and we put in all that information, which was fun to use. Like, I've never used s'more before. And honestly, I see myself using this more in the future just because it's really easy to use, you'll understand it, and it's fun to make. Like, I just really like the background and how you're able to put it in different categories that you want. You can add titles and all that, and that's also why I really enjoyed it. So during this week we were putting in informations from our policy map and everything. I love that you can also add little pictures on it, big pictures, little pictures. You can put titles and just small writing that you want on there. It's like a whole newsletter, and I really enjoyed that one. And then the second one that I chose was the very first one that I chose to submit as my first UDL, which was the meme generator. And I just came up with this simple meme that online classes are harder than in person classes. Changed my mind. And I don't know, it was just fun to me because I'm a person who enjoys looking at different memes. So I kind of recognized every template that was on there, which is why I really enjoyed this one the most. So this one, the meme generator was my favorite UDL.